looking at? Well, we're looking at properties like these here. We've been finding and providing cash investor deals like this starting in the $40,000 range, and had just started offering financing less than a year ago. It only requires 20% down. Not much money out of someone's pocket. So here are some of the highlights of Cleveland. Named Intel Digital World an intelligent community. The first to create a high-speed fiber optic and citywide Wi-Fi network. Biotech startup company hub. In fact, they have over 600 of them in Cleveland. Home to NASA. Home to the Cleveland Clinic. Business and investor friendly, and that's why it's thriving today. Home to 29 colleges and universities, 6 deep water ports, and 2 international airports. Did you guys know that? So let's get back to the numbers. What do markets like Cleveland have to offer? Single homes, starting in the 40,000s, but most of our investors are on average about $55,000 to $65,000 for properties in the suburbs. Rents go between $800 to $1,200 a month, up to 12% cap rates, unless you get into multi-units, then it goes a little bit higher than that. Sales prices far under rebuild costs. It costs about bare minimum $100 to $110 a square foot, bare minimum to build something. You build a 1,000 square foot home, it's $100,000, but we can get them 2 for that price. Available vacant properties ready for you, and demand for rentals. Why is there a demand? Job growth. So what does this give us? Look, you can buy 10 of these houses for the price of 1 rental in many parts of California. And the cash and the ROI is a heck of a lot better. So you're even in a good position to add value with rehab, or let appreciation do its thing. For me, this is like Southern California back in 2010 and 2011, only with far more affordable prices that anyone can get in on these types of deals. As an investor, you can expect affordable acquisition costs. Where are you going to buy a property in California for $50,000? You can't even buy something with wheels someone lives in it for $50,000. Reasonable access to inventory, great cash flow and yield potential, value and equity potential. Take a look at this sweet deal right here. Here's a property that's just under 1,500 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1-car garage. The sales price on it was $59,900. That's a beautiful house, is it not? What would that house cost if you were to put it in your neighborhood? Not $59,900, that's for sure. Rents are wrong here. It's $1,000 a month in gross rents, not $950. $2,300 in taxes. Taxes are a little bit high in Cleveland, but you know it all pans out, so you're still getting a phenomenal return. Insurance $620. Vacancy rate right now is just under 3%, but I put a 5% vacancy rate in there. And then you have management, which is discounted at 8%. And then you have maintenance factor, which is another 5% cost. Maintenance where you got a plugged toilet or someone moves out, you got to clean the place up. So if you take the $12,000 and you net it out with all those expenses, it comes out to $6,920. That's an 11.5% cap rate. Where are you going to find 11.5% cap rate in California or New York? You're not. You can't even go to Indianapolis and Kansas City to get that 11.5% cap rate. So we've got a phenomenal property that is very easy on the budget, that offers a double-digit return, that is turnkey, ready for a renter. In fact, if we were to build this house at $100 a square foot at $1,488, that would cost us almost $149,000 to build that house. But Cleveland offers that value today to where we can buy almost 3 of these houses for the build costs. Looking at this property, you're only looking about $40 a square foot. That's pretty darn good. Now,